In ancient Babylon, King Nebuchadnezzar built a towering golden statue and commanded everyone to bow before it whenever music played. Three young men, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, were known for their strong devotion to God and refused to worship any idol. When the king's decree demanded that all must bow or face death in a blazing furnace, these three stood firm in their faith, choosing to honor God above the king's command. Enraged by their defiance, Nebuchadnezzar ordered the furnace to be heated 7 times hotter than usual and commanded his strongest soldiers to throw them into the flames. The fire was so fierce that the soldiers who carried out the order were consumed by the heat. Yet, as the king peered into the furnace, he was amazed to see not 3, but 4 figures walking unharmed within the fire, the fourth appearing like a divine being. Astonished, Nebuchadnezzar called them out, and they emerged without a single burn or even the smell of smoke. This miraculous deliverance led the king to praise their God, declaring that no other God could save in such a way. The story of the fiery furnace teaches us about unwavering faith, courage in the face of danger, and the power of standing true to one's beliefs, no matter the cost.